During my Masters in Leadership program in 2009, I learned about design thinking, and at the same time, I did my Agile Scrum certification. At that time, I was testing both the tools in silos, but I never knew that combination of both would play a huge role in my future, or matter of fact, in your future. With these tools, I was able to transform my struggling company into a profitable organization. And I remember the pain that I feel when I was struggling. As we are transitioning to fourth industrial revolution, artificial intelligence, big data, blockchain, and Internet of Things, they all demands fresh perspective and new product mix. Without design thinking tool and agile approach, I don't think we have a chance to make a global impact. Simply, if you want to think outside the box, and create a solution or product, agile with design thinking is the right combination. Design thinking will help you to reframe your problem and question your assumptions, whereas agile will give you leverage to test the options with quick results. So, to transform your thinking and future products, join our design thinking with agile workshop and see how these two approaches work together for your transformation. Thank you.